Hello everyone. So going to be doing the baking soda challenge test just to see how my stomach acids are. So basically the purpose of the baking soda challenge test is so that you can see if your stomach acids are in check or not. I will put the rules like right here. I'm supposed to take about 6 ounces of water with a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, I believe. Yeah, so 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with 6 ounces of water. Drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach before eating or drinking. So yeah, if you have sufficient levels of stomach acids, the baking soda will turn into carbon dioxide gas, which should cause belching within less than 5 minutes. If you've not belched within 5 minutes, stop timing. If you have enough stomach acid, belching should occur within 2 to 3 minutes. Early and repeat belches might be due to excessive stomach acid, but they also could be due to swallowing air when drinking the solution. This sort of belching tends to be smaller belches. So if normal belching doesn't occur after 3 minutes, stomach acids are low. So low stomach acid means no belching, and then sufficient stomach acid means belching. So yeah, if I start belching soon, then apple cider vinegar is okay to use, but if I don't belch within 4 to 5 minutes, then that means I have a low stomach acid, and that means I should be continuing to take my HCl supplements, which is my hydrochloric acid supplements. So anyway, I'm just going to set up this procedure. Okay, so there's 6 ounces. I'm going to be taking 1/4 teaspoon, and we're just going to be testing our stomach acids to see if they are strong or not, and see if I need to supplement with more hydrochloric acid. Okay. Yes, if I belch early, then that means that my stomach acids are fine, and then I just only need to use apple cider vinegar. Here we go. Oh, whoops. Okay, we're just gonna wait and time it. It's 6:56 a.m. So I would say at like 7 a.m. then. We'll see. If I don't burp by 7, that means my stomach acids are low. I thought I heard a belch in my chest. I'm waiting. Uh-oh, 2 minutes. I have not belched yet. My stomach acid still might be low. It's 6:59. So if I don't belch in 1 minute, that means my stomach acids are low still. Okay, so it just turned 7 a.m. and I still have not belched yet. So I think that means I still have to continue taking my hydrochloric acid. So basically they're right here. So, okay, so basically what this means and what this is indicating, what I'm sensing, is that I have to continue taking these. Just like 1 high protein meal a day, I will probably have to take, sometimes you would have to take like up to 7, apparently, to see if, oh wait. Oh, I just belched. Woo! Did you hear that? I just belched and it's 7:01. Okay, so my stomach acids I think are still low because again it was what, like 6:56. So yeah, it's been about like 5 or 6 minutes, so I think that still means my stomach acids are pretty low, because you should probably belch within 2 to 3 minutes, not like 4 to 5 minutes, which I just did. It's been like 5 minutes. So basically what that means is, again, like, so for lunch I'll probably have a high protein meal. For 1 meal a day I will just continue to take these. The most you could take is probably about 7 for it to be like safe during a high protein meal. And then I guess over time, once you feel that like acid reflux in your throat or like a stomach warmth sensation, then you can reduce it by 1 every single day, or just reduce it by 1 whenever you feel that warming sensation, either the acid reflux or your stomach warming up. So yeah, that's basically the plans now. So this was actually good. I belched within like 5 minutes. So the first time I actually did this test, I didn't belch within the first like 10 to 15 minutes. Even when I belched, it was like super, like I couldn't even notice it happening. So this is my second time actually doing this test. So the fact that my stomach acids are actually getting better, that's a good thing. I'm gonna continue taking this because I thought my stomach acids were a bit better. I thought I was gonna belch a bit earlier, but apparently not. So we're just gonna keep taking these basically. Yeah, and then I'll probably do another baking soda challenge again, probably the following week or something. And then once I get my stomach acids in check and I belch within again 2 to 3 minutes when I do the baking soda challenge again, then that is what we want. We need our stomach acids in check. That means everything will be good and that I can officially stop taking this and then just continue with apple cider vinegar. And then after that, again, with my acne, it's just digestion and probiotics. So yeah, if you're having digestion issues, stomach acids could play a big factor in that. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm burping. It's 7:04 when this happened. Okay, this is good data. Yeah, okay, so the goal is to eventually get off of these and not have to do that anymore. Oh my god. Yeah, I'll keep you updated on how many pills I will be taking this week and how much I'll have to take in order to get my stomach acids back on track. Then I could digest the food properly. And yeah, so that is this test. That is this interesting test. You know, you could try it at home for fun. Comment down below where your stomach acids are at. Try this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. And I hope you have a good day, good night, wherever you're watching this. Please subscribe if you want to see more of me. I post every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Hit that bell notification so you don't miss a video I post. All my social media links will be linked down below, as well as my second YouTube channel. If you don't know, hello, my name is Sonia. I'm a music producer and I produce music. So if you're into EDM pop, bright up, bouncy music kind of vibes, then definitely consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. And lots of virtual kisses and hugs, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, peace.